Welcome back to Elite Quid HS online class, subject accountancy, class 11. Today we are going to continue chapter 1, nature and scope of accounting. In our last class we have discussed about the characteristics of accounting information. Today we will continue with types of accounting information. So the first type is on the basis of users of accounting information, and it can be classified into two types: for internal management and for outside parties, about which we will read in more details after completing this topic. The second type of accounting information is on the basis of compulsion of maintenance of accounting information, and it can also be classified in two types, that is under legal compulsion and under ordinary purpose. Third, on the basis of time perspective of accounting information, which is based on historical data and estimated data with future perspective. Fourth, on the basis of content of accounting information, and it can be classified again in two types, that are detailed information and summarized information. Detailed information is mainly for lower level of management, whereas the summarized information is mainly meant for the higher level of management. Number 5, on the basis of time of presentation of accounting information, which can be categorized in three types: periodical information, interim information, and continuous information. By periodical information we mean to say the information prepared and presented in periodical intervals. For example, profit and loss account and balance sheet are prepared periodically at the end of the accounting year. Whereas interim information means the information presented at any time on the basis of requirement. For example, due to a particular reason, information may be required to be submitted to the government. And lastly, as the name goes, continuous information requires compilation without any rest or interval. For example, production chart is prepared on the basis of production process in a continuous way. Number 6, on the basis of medium of presentation of accounting information. Now it can be grouped in 6 following types. Number 1, information through statements. Number 2, information through reports. Number 3, information through graphs. Number 4, information presented through periodicals, booklets, circulars, etc. Number 5, information through ratio or percentage. And lastly, information through bar chart, pie chart, pictograph, etc. The 7th type of accounting information is on the basis of comparability of accounting information. Now it can be categorized under three types. Number 1, comparative information of the same entity for different periods. Number 2, comparative information of the same period for different entities belonging to same industry. And number 3, comparative information of actual figure and standard figure for any period. Our next topic of discussion is users of accounting information. This was the first type of accounting information which I said we will discuss later on. You already know that the accounting information can be grouped under two broad categories, and they are internal users and external users. As the name signifies, the internal users are connected with the management of the organization, and the accounting information is presented to them for the purpose of taking important management related decisions. The internal users includes the board of directors, the owners, the managers, and higher officials, whereas the external users are not directly connected with the business but dependent in different capacities on the accounting information provided by the entity. The external users include investors, money lenders, suppliers, government, trade union, employees, and customers. Our next topic is basis of accounting. When accounting activities are conducted for an entity, it is based on certain specific basis of accounting. It can be classified in three types. Number 1, cash basis. number 2 accrual basis, and number 3 hybrid basis. In cash basis method of accounting, the determination of income and expenses of an entity is done only by cash receipts and cash payments. Whereas in accrual basis of accounting, the determination of income and expense is done by both cash and accrual basis. It means cash receipts, cash payments, accruals and outstanding incomes and expenses. Next we have hybrid basis of accounting. It is seen that some entities are recording their receipts under cash basis while the payments are recorded on accrual basis. So this basis of accounting as a combination of both cash basis and accrual basis is known as hybrid basis of accounting. The next topic in your textbook is different branches of accounting. I have already discussed this part in my previous video, so I am ending up the chapter here. In our next class I am going to start basic accounting terms. Thank you.